In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add text to model in Orca Slicer. So in my case, I'm going to be adding text onto this simple shape that I want right here. To get started, you then want to import or get started finishing your design. And from there, you just want to highlight your design right here. So in my case, I'm going to be putting the text onto this shape. And then you want to navigate through the emboss option, which is going to be the T icon right here. And from there, you can then name this to whatever you want to. So in my case, I'm going to put something like guide to everything. And of course, you can edit out the font onto this presets right here. And just below that, you can now edit out the height. This is basically the shape of it if you want to make it bigger. And the depth is going to be if you want to make it stand out more, as you can see. And so from there, you have successfully added text onto your model in Orca Slicer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.